Exercise 5.5, problem 14, discussion. If the vertices of the triangle ABC are A 2 minus 4, B 3 3 and C minus 1 comma 5, find the equation of the straight line along the altitude from the vertex B. So here the three vertices are given A, B and C, and now we are asked to find the equation of the straight line along the altitude from the vertex B. This is the vertex. This is the vertex B and this is the altitude, right? So they want to find the equation of this straight line along the vertex, the altitude from vertex B, right? So this is the equation of the straight line. How will you find it? You have one point already on this straight line, so this point is there. So if you have the slope, we can calculate it. But you know, altitude is perpendicular to AC, right? So what you do is you calculate the slope of the line AC using the 2-point formula. Once you have the slope of this line, you can calculate the slope of this line because it is perpendicular, right? It is a negative reciprocal of the slope of this AC, right? Because the product of the slopes of the perpendicular line is minus 1, right? So now you will have the slope of this line and you have 1 point, then you have to use your slope point form and get the equation of the straight line. Okay, right, now let's list out what is given. 3 points are given, 2, 4, 3 and this is given. So the points are given, vertices ABC of the triangle ABC, right? Now we are asked to find the equation of the altitude from vertex B. What's the formula? Slope point form, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Actually you need to add one more formula, that is the slope of the line joining 2 points, which is m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Please write that here. Okay, anyway it will be there in the steps, I will add it later. So step 1, see here it comes. Substitute points A and C in m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 and get the slope of the side AC, right? It's not equation, sorry, it is slope. Okay, so slope of the side AC. Next, calculate the slope of the line perpendicular to AC using the slope of m2 will be equal to minus 1 by m1. So whatever slope you are getting, let's say you get 4 here, it will be minus 1 by 4. That will be the slope of the line perpendicular to AC, which is the required line, correct? Then you have the slope of the required line, which is calculated in step 2. You already have 1 point on it, which is x1, y1. Using those two information in the slope point form, you can get the equation of the straight line. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, so please pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own. And on completion, please come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, so the solution. The slope of the line joining 2 points is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So let's take this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So slope of AC will be y2 minus y1, 5 minus of minus 4, that will become 5 plus 4. And then x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 2. So it will become 9 divided by minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. Slope of the line perpendicular to AC is negative reciprocal of this value. So it will be, what's the reciprocal of 3? It's 1 by 3, right? And so the slope of this one is its slope of this minus 3 is 1 by minus 3, and we want to have a negative reciprocal, so you will have to add one more minus sign to it. So it will become minus and minus will get cancelled, it will become plus 1 by 3. And to verify, you multiply this with this, minus 3 into 1 by 3, you will get minus 1, right? Please understand, the slope of the perpendicular line is negative reciprocal of the value. So here it is minus 3. So the negative reciprocal is minus 1 divided by minus 3. So that is 1 by 3. Okay, next. Now we have slope already and you have 1 point. So which means we have to have the straight line which is having a slope of 1 by 3 and 1 point which is 3, 3. That is x1, y1 is 3, 3. Right? So using the slope point form, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, we will get y minus y1. y1 is what? 3. So y minus 3 will be equal to slope is 1 by 3. It's given here, right? Into x minus x1 is 3. x1 is also 3. So it is 1 by 3 into x minus x1. So this what will happen, this 3 will go up, so it will become 3 into y minus 3, that is 3y minus 9, and it will become here 1 into x minus 3, that is x minus 3. Okay, so you bring everything to one side. So if you bring this 3y to the other side and minus 9 also to this side, so it will become x minus 3y, and it will become plus 9 minus 3, which is plus 6 equal to 0. So the equation of the straight line is x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Got it? So let me repeat. So all you need to do is find the slope of this line AC, from which you can find the slope of the altitude, which is negative reciprocal of the slope of AC. Right? Then once you have the slope, you have already one point. Use a slope point form and get the equation of the straight line. Okay, so I hope I made this problem clear for you. Thanks for watching this video.